Hello students, welcome to ABHILAW, where law is simplified. This is your professor Dr. Ambarish R. Patnigere, retired Additional Municipal Commissioner as well as Director of Father Ignorant School of Law. Today once again we are with another video of POCSO. We are now dealing with chapter 3. POCSO talks about different type of offences related with child below the age of 18 years. Now we have seen that the first offense was penetrative sexual assault. The next was aggravated penetrative sexual assault. After that, the next offense was sexual assault and then aggravated sexual assault. Now we are going to go to the next offense against the child, which is called sexual harassment. This is something which you and I need to understand about this. What exactly comes in sexual harassment of a child? Many people doesn't understand this. So our actions which are there with the child can be a sexual harassment also. Let's go and find out what are there. Till last time we had completed till section 10. We are today starting from section 11 and section 12. Only two we are going to do. Let us read section 11. What is sexual harassment? Okay. A person is said to commit sexual harassment upon a child when such person with sexual intent. Now the word sexual intent is being explained in this section. I will talk to you about sexual intent little later. But who will commit a sexual harassment upon a child? What things he need to do? Okay. So let's understand this. Utter any word or makes any sound or makes any gesture or exhibit any object or part of body with intention that such word or sound shall be heard or such gesture or object or part of body shall be seen by the child. So the first part, it talks about any utterance of word or making any sound, any gesture. You know there are many gestures and I may not go in detail of that, but showing any part of the body intentionally, okay, to the child, and if the child hears that or sees that, then he has committed sexual harassment offense. Now another part, subclause 2, makes a child exhibit his body or any part of his body so as it is being seen by such person or any other person. Then also it is sexual harassment. Let's go to subclause 3. If the person makes or shows any object to a child in any form or media for pornography purposes, then also it is a sexual harassment, showing wrong videos to the children. Subclause 4. Repeatedly or constantly follows or watches or contact a child either directly or through electronic, digital or any other means following up the child, okay, through mobile or through any other means like Facebook or Instagram, watches that and try to repeatedly contact the child. It is also sexual harassment. 5. Threaten to use in any form of media, real or fabricated depiction through electronic film or digital or any other mode of any part of the body of the child. You know nowadays different software has come. They change the face of the person, but the body of the child can be used for involvement of such kind of sexual act in the media or in any other electronic form or making a film or digital film. Whatever it is been done, threatened to use, then it is a sexual harassment. Last one is entices a child for pornographic purpose or gives gratification, giving chocolates or any other thing through which encourages the child for pornographic purposes, then also the act comes under sexual harassment. The question involved as per sexual intent which we were talking about shall be the question of fact. What exactly the situation was, what exactly things was being done, that is called the question of fact. So section 11 explains different type of actions taken by a person through which he can commit an offense of sexual harassment. Now, punishment for sexual harassment is very simple. It is with imprisonment of either description for a term, which may extend to 3 years, and also shall be liable to fine. With this, now we are going to go to the last chapter, third chapter, using child for pornographic purposes and punishment thereof. Remember, chapter 1 and chapter 2 is now completed. We will go to chapter 3 in the coming video. I hope so. Different type of offences which are mentioned in chapter 5. Chapter 2, you have known 5 types of offences. First is penetrative sexual assault, aggravated penetrative sexual assault, then sexual assault, then aggravated form of sexual assault, and the last is sexual harassment. I hope so. If you have liked the video, please share with your friends as well as share with others. Thank you so much.